Hi guys, and welcome to another video from U-Wrench. Today we're going to be showing you the easy way that you can tell how much life you have left in your brake pads. Let's take a look. So to take a look at how much life you've got remaining in your pads, there's kind of two places you can visually inspect them. One can be done usually with your wheels on, depending on what type of wheels you have. If you have a kind of old-fashioned steel wheels, they tend to be very solid, and so you can't actually look through them. But if you've got like 5 or 6 spoke alloys, you can usually see through them and get a little glimpse of what we're going to look at next. If you can't visually inspect through the wheel, obviously the wheel will have to be removed, and that will also give us access to the second point that we'll also look at, which is a great point for inspecting the condition of the pads. So the easiest way to check the pads, ideally with the wheel on, is if you look through your wheel, hopefully you'll be able to actually see the pad. And this is the pad just sitting in there, and what we can see there, that's actually the backing material, and you can see there's a little gap there, and in that gap will be, hopefully you can just about make it out on that video. If not, you might be able to see it slightly better from the other angle that we'll show from just a second. But that's the most common kind of place. However, that doesn't show you the condition of both the front and the rear pads. Obviously, to do that, you're going to have to remove your wheel. But that's a very good indicator to give you an idea of the condition on the pads. It's hard to see from the angle how much life we have in there, but the amount of pad that we have left between that backing material and the disc itself is essentially the width of that gap. So that gives you an idea that these pads are obviously nearing the end of their life. They're probably a little over 3/4 worn. These are going to be changed here today, but that's kind of the easiest visual inspection, and you can usually do that through the wheel. And your second place to inspect, where you can inspect both the front and the rear pads, obviously you do have to remove the wheel for this, is the calipers. Always have this kind of little hole in them. As we can see, this is what I was explaining before, right here on the tip of my finger, that is the backing material, and just between the backing material and the disc, right in there, that is how much actual brake material we have left on that particular pad. So again, we're approaching 3/4 worn on that one, and then we have the actual disc in the middle, and then repeating over to the other side here, and we can see we've got virtually no material left on this one. It's almost all backing pad, but you can see very clearly, and you can also see that we've had uneven pad wear. It's worn quicker on this side than it has on this, so that might point towards an issue as well. But those are the two easiest and most common ways to inspect the condition of your brake pads. I hope this has been useful for you guys. If so, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the future.